Good morning, MyBlindCo users. For all of you who have signed up for MyBlindCo Pay, I'm doing a quick video here to introduce you to Stax Connect if you haven't already logged in. So this is where you can come and see all of the payment transactions that you've made through MyBlindCo Pay. There's also some great reports. To get access to this website, you need to find that MyBlindCo Pay welcome letter that Marion sent to you, and there's a link. If you forgot your password while applying for MyBlindCo Pay, there's a button there that says forget password, and it'll take you through the steps to reset your password. Then you'll be able to easily log into what we call Stax Connect. So this will show you, like I mentioned, some great reports. There's a deposit report, which shows you all of the transactions within that deposit that hit the bank. And then a great reconciliation report. This will show you all of the customer name and dollar amounts you ran within that batch that hit the bank. So if you ran 3 credit cards in one day, it will show you all 3 customers and the dollar amount for what you ran. So it's a great way to just reconcile and keep the books up to date. The other thing I wanted to show you is payments. Here you can, again, see each transaction and also come and issue a refund if you need to. So a refund would be any transaction that you ran at least 24 hours later. So if you run a credit card transaction the same day and you want to quote unquote refund it, you can actually void that transaction in MyBlindCo. But if 24 hours elapse, then it becomes a refund. And then you do have to come to this page to issue a refund. So pretty easy to do. If you put your mouse over the far right here, you'll see 3 lines. Click on that, and then you'll see a refund button. And this will allow you to refund the credit card transaction ran. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.